welcome to my channel. My name's Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this Lavalier microphone set. I've been wanting to check out a Lavalier for like ages now, so I'm super excited to check this out. Let's go dive in. I also love when they come in cases like this that are super portable, that you can bring around with you, so that's a plus. Okay, super cool. Okay, so it's quite simple actually. I mean, it looks like literally all you do is take one of these, plug it in, and then attach one of these to your shirts. Let's test it on the sound quality right now with my recording. So I'm just gonna plug this into my phone. And then just have it right there. Okay, so I can't hear it, obviously, from my end. After I watch this video, you can tell, what the sound quality difference is and, all that good stuff. So let's see, on the other side, there is, an extension cord for if you need it to be longer, if you can't reach. Here's another extension cord for your second lavalier. So you can plug two, you can have like an interview basically, and plug this into your phone or whatever device, and then have both of you guys be feeding the same sound. Comes with extra little fluffy, whatever these are called, little puffs. Comes with two extra ones. Also comes with an adapter for iPhone, and then another adapter as well. So depending on what it is that you need, they have all the adapters and all that stuff. So this is the connection guide, shows you, what to connect to what in order to get the sound that you want according to your device to connect to this, and so on and so forth. And that's it. So, I mean, it's super simple to use. It says great for interviews, vlogs, and video recording. Once I watch this video and see the quality, I'm gonna see if I'm gonna continue using it or not. So if I like it, you're gonna see this little guy in like the rest of my videos. And so that's it. So if you wanna purchase this lavalier mic, make sure to check out the link below. For more product reviews, please make sure to continue watching, subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this lavalier, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.